Welcome back to the channel's CR New Model, where we break down the world's most iconic rides, past, present, and future. And today, we're witnessing a comeback. The legend is back, the 2026 Mercedes Benz SLK has returned, and it's more elegant, athletic, and intelligent than ever. So, is this the roadster we've been waiting for? Let's find out. Let's talk design. The 2026 SLK is all about modern luxury wrapped in a compact performance shell. From the sculpted hood to the Panamericana grille, this car oozes charisma. The slimmer digital light LED headlights and wide stance give it that unmistakable Mercedes-AMG attitude. And yes, it's still a true roadster, with a fully automated retractable hardtop that opens in just under 15 seconds, transforming your commute into a full-blown experience. Step inside, and it's a blend of tech and tradition. Mercedes gives you dual 11.9-inch screens running the latest MBUX system, integrated with voice control and AI-assisted comfort settings. You've got heated and ventilated Napa leather sport seats, customizable 64-color ambient lighting, and even the return of the beloved AIRSCARF system, because cool weather shouldn't stop top-down cruising. Under the hood, the new SLK offers a range of turbocharged power plants. The top trim, a 2.0L AMG enhanced turbo 4-cylinder, putting out 310 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Thanks to rear-wheel drive dynamics, optional adaptive suspension, and a 0 to 60 time of just 4.7 seconds, the SLK is no longer just a stylish cruiser, it's a serious driver's car. The 2026 Mercedes Benz SLK isn't just a revival, it's a reinvention. It honors the roadster legacy while packing modern performance, tech, and style in one drop-top package. Whether you're carving up the coast or cruising the city, the new SLK delivers freedom, with a German accent. What do you think? Is this the roadster of 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell, because we've got more icons coming your way soon. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.